Hey everyone, I just wanted to hop on really quick and make sure that we have a little video tutorial about how to get onto the program and how to access the materials. You would have gotten an email from Kajabi, and then it will give you the link to log in. Once you're logged in, my username and password was automatically saved. So that's why it automatically logged me in. You'll see that the Fasting Fix program is right here in your library. Go ahead and click on that, and that will take you into the course. From there, you'll navigate over to Module 1. This is the only module that's out right now, but there will be new modules added each week. So for this one, you log into Module 1 and you'll see there are a series of lessons in here. And then at the bottom is the downloads and the assessment. If you click on the first one, it will automatically load all of the lessons sequentially right there for you. And you want to scroll down and see if there's any text that you need to read. This is where I'll put any helpful links that you might need or more information about the topic that's being covered. Once I click this video, hello and welcome to the Fasting Fix. And you're going to hear my voice again talking. This is going to be a presentation where I'm going to go through all of the things that you need to know. If you want to adjust the volume or the setting, you can make me talk faster. You can also maximize the screen and minimize it. Once you're finished, you'll hit complete, and then it will give you this little check mark next to the video, and you can go to the next lesson, which is right here. It'll automatically take you to the next one. And then I can see here, oh, there's no text for me to read. Great, I'll just watch the video. And then when I'm done, I'm going to mark it as complete. It will give me a little check mark by the side, and I will go to the next lesson. Just like that. And then if I go back to the main module page, then I can see that those videos have been checked and I'm finished with those. What you'll also find on the homepage is a little introduction from me saying hello, the link to the Facebook page, and the registration link for the live calls. Hopefully you've all registered by now because we've already had one live call. So this will take you to the private Facebook page. If you have a question, then you're going to want to type it in here, and you can tag me by typing at Dina and clicking Dina Nichols Thompson, that is me, or the Real Food Nutritionist, either one. Oh, it's not going to let me pull up myself. That's all. Either one will tag me, and that way I'll get a notification that you've asked a question. All right, that's it. I will see all of you again on Monday. And just remember that you have 3 assessments to do before Monday. That's to fill out the symptom questionnaire, to take your waist to hip ratio. And then if you plan to get blood chemistry done, to at least make an appointment with your doctor or get that test ordered as soon as possible. Ideally, you'll want to have that blood test done before we do our first fast, which is on the 20th of September. So it gives you about 10 days really, which isn't a ton of time, and I apologize for that. If you need more time, that's fine. You can do it after your fast is over, or you can skip it altogether. You can also use labs if you've had them done in the last year. I mean, ideally in the last 6 months, but if you have labs done in the last year, you can use those as your baseline labs. And then you can just worry about getting labs at the end of the program and comparing your results. All right, I'll see you on Monday.